Okay, I'm here at the McDonald's and I'm going to show you step by step what you can do in order to install this type of antenna. We want to give you a little bit advice and I hope everything is going to work out for you. So I'm going to do some adjustment. I'm ready to go. I'll show you now. Manager office, as you can see, and we have to run the cable from here all the way over here, going outside, and their wall is a little bit thicker than the drill bits that I have, as you can see. And I have to go to the roof and run the cable along the side, so I think that would be the best option. Other side, so I'm going to be installing the antenna, I think, around that point, and I will be running the cable all the way over there. Okay, as you can see, I just installed the MikroTik, so one here, and installed the PoE, so I ran the cable to the roof, as we are going to see in a little bit, and they can manage everything from here. So from here, if they want, they can enable the Wi-Fi and everything to provide internet to the rest of the fast food in this case. And as you can see, they still use robotic, so they have modem, the old school. This is the way they have everything. It's like a rat nest, but okay, this is the way things are. So I'm going to show you upstairs, I mean on the roof, how everything has been done. Okay, I'm going to show you here. I just finished installing this equipment. We have this antenna, the outdoor antenna, and we have this device here. So in this case, it's PEP wave. Here you have the injector. So basically, how it works is you have the PoE. You have electricity here running through the cable, and from here, because this device is not capable of doing that, you have to have this. What you can do, you have one option. One is buying just a product that will have everything in one, everything inside of the same unit. Or if you want, you can buy something like this and make it work the way I'm showing you right now. Or another option is, if you don't want to buy this, you can modify the circuit inside. I have done it in the past, and that way you have one device instead of having multiple. So the problem with this thing is, number one, I don't know this brand, but the problem is, I mean, you don't have much room to work with your fingers here. So if you want to use this type of special tape for outdoor, you're going to have this problem that you cannot put your fingers, so you do whatever you can. I prefer another brands that you have, more room. Also, these connectors, the RF connectors, they are here. Also, the stickers and everything are going to be here. That is much better, because otherwise, this in a few months surely it will be vanished. You're not going to be able to see anything. Very easy to install here. In this case, because it's wood in the other side, you put these the regular screws, for wood, the long ones, and you have this mount, the metal one that you see over here, and then you run the cable all the way until the other side. So I couldn't run the cable the way I wanted, but this is the best way I was able to do it. So as you can see, people are asking, and here I have the ladder, and I made a hole in the other side, so that way you can see everything. I mean, you can get the cable inside. They didn't care about how the cable was run, so I did the quickest way. And basically, other than that, I mean, nobody's going to be here to see this. You're not going to have a customers watching this. Yeah, I can cut this later. I was thinking to put this under this, but I don't want to, damage anything. Here, I try to, when I do this type of installation, I try to be less, intrudeless as possible. So I don't want to, to make a lot of holes or change a lot of things. Also, it takes a lot of time. Usually some customers like this one, they don't pay much. Or they want just the simple thing, just do it. They don't care about anything else. So here, as you can see, they have this, the Ubiquity is still running. Still I can see some lights. They don't have much power. It's these 3 lights, that's it. The bad thing, when they use the zip tie, the plastic one, they are going to die very soon. I mean, they are going to disintegrate, and surely this Ubiquity is going to fall. So I've seen this in the past, so I don't recommend that. If you're going to install something like that, make sure use metal like here. So with this, it's going to be like that for many years, and it will last almost forever. So in this case, as you can see, you have the injector. You have a few options. One, you can buy one like that if the device that you're going to use doesn't support it, or you can modify. I have done this in the past, where you take it apart and then you modify it so that way you don't have one more device in the middle. The downside of these type of things, you have to buy more things, of course, and the downside is of this that you have a device that you know it may fail over time. Usually they don't fail, but if they fail, you're going to be wondering, okay, is this what's going on? The good thing about having the radio separated from the antenna is that if you have some charge, you know, discharge from the sky, you know, a lightning or whatever, you can replace just this and that's it. In the other case, you will have to throw it away and buy a new one. There is no chance to fix it, or it makes no sense. But in this case, you can replace this. Also, if you have, let's say that in the future you have a new model, faster or more powerful, the only thing that you do is just replace this, put the new one, and that's it. And it's pretty easy. So I like these type of connectors here because you can, you know, protect it very easily. Instead of here is a pain in the butt when you do all those type of things. So here you close it and that's it. You have the PoE in the other side. So I have to finish adjusting the thing so it will not move over time. Basically that's it. So I hope this video was useful. As usual, if you want to know more about this, you can buy my classes in my website GabakUSA.com. Go there, you will see videos that you're not going to see here on YouTube. Hope this video was useful, and see you next time. Bye.